Easy flower to make on the 12 peg newborn booty loom by Premium Knitting Looms. It's a 5/8 inch gauge, and this one you can get an adult 4-piece set, or you can buy it by itself. So how we make this is you're going to need two collars. You'll need your petal collar and then your middle collar. I like to use a yarn guide that helps it go by really quick. And of course you'll need scissors, tapestry needle, and your crochet and your loom hook. Now you got your yarn down through the middle, your yarn guide. You're just going to go all the way across, and you're just going to wrap. And you can go around as many times as you'd like. It just makes it fuller. What I like to do is just keep going until everything looks really filled in and full. Which I'd say that is probably it. Let's see, how many rows do I got on here? So I've got about 5 rows, which that's normally it'll be about 5 rows. So you want to cut your yarn, take your yarn guide off. We're going to start with the end yarn because we got to anchor these in so that they don't go nowhere. So you're going to thread your tapestry needle. As you can see, it's kind of a jumbled mess on here right now, but we're going to wrap it around. We're actually going to go in between the pegs. And we're going to go up through, and we're just going to thread like this, because that's going to lock all these in so it doesn't come apart on you. Let's see. You want to make sure you get in between all of those so that the petals will be more defined, I guess. And this is just one of many ways that you can make a quick little embellishment for something that you are knitting. Okay, so I'm going to take that one down again, and that's going to be enough for that one because that's kind of locked everything in. So we're going to take that, kind of pull that tight, and now we're just going to flip this inside out. We're going to thread this one. This one just needs to go just a couple rounds. You just bring it up through. It's coming from this side over here, so you can bring it up through any one really. We're just pulling it through just to lock it in place so we can tie it off. And there we go. It's going to be kind of hard to get a knot all the way down there, but you can tighten this more once you are done. See, it's starting to take shape now. Now we got to do our collared part for the middle, and this is really where everything gets locked in. I'm just using a multi-colored yarn. Both of these are Caron Simply Soft that I'm using. It has a really nice sheen to it. And I got just a long piece here. Oh, now what do I do with my tapestry needle? Here it is. And thread your tapestry needle. And you can start anywhere, it doesn't really matter. Just go down one side, up one side, down the other. Oops. And you're going to pull it all the way through until you just have a little bit, you know, just 5-6 inches or so left, because you'll need to tie it off. And you want to leave enough to where you can use this to sew it into whatever you're making. So there you go. And I actually take and will kind of hold all this extra yarn over. Like, some of this is really long, so I'm just going to cut it and just hold this over to the side so it's sort of out of my way. And then you can tighten that up. And at this point, you just sew. And you just keep going around. As you can see, like your first round, it's not quite as, it's not going to look very full. So you're going to want to go around probably 2 times just to get this very full and everything looks even. Alright, once this is around as much as you want, it makes it filled in very nice. Just take and tie a knot. Tie a knot, which will tighten it up more once we take it off. That's just to lock it in there. And then we're just going to take our loom hook and take all of this off. Okay, so here is our flower. We're going to turn this over, make sure all these knots are tight. Make another one there, double knot it, and now we can cut the strings. You can see this one I didn't make quite as full as the other one.